This review of the Helinox chair and table was shot on a hot summer day in Georgia's coastal low country. After a 5-mile early morning hike, it's so relaxing to sit in our comfy high-back chairs in front of the big fan, drying our sweat and unwinding. We take morning and evening meals, read, check our phones, or nap while sitting under the van's canopy, our chair and table shaded from the sun. This clip shows how easily the tent-like parts break down, roll up in the durable seat, and slip into the carry bag. The poles are special aluminum alloy with a higher spec than aircraft-grade aluminum. The chairs can sit in salt water as well with just a rinse to clean. The blow-up pillow is fastened with Velcro. Sunset Chairs has a capacity of 320 pounds, yet only weighs 3 pounds 8 ounces. The seats are tall enough to support your head and neck. The Table One hardtop has a capacity of 110 pounds, yet only weighs 2 pounds 2 ounces, and all come with a 5-year warranty. Hardtop table dismantles just as easily, with the aluminum poles attached to the hardened plastic hub, molded from high-strength, fiber-reinforced nylon 66. We've had our chairs over 4 years. They are well constructed with lumbar support. Though expensive, they are the most comfortable, well-built, lightweight adventure chairs we have ever used and would recommend them wholeheartedly.